So that is the Pork Pie Library. There.
Okay.
That's why it's called the Pork Pie. It looks a bit like a pork pie.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're in Leicester now.
Oh, we're in Leicester
So
now.
this is test territory for Wigston.
Okay.
And we're going to discover whether you prefer Wigston
Or Kettering.
or Kettering. Bear in mind, you're more likely, as you told me earlier, you're never going to go to Kettering.
No.
But you spend a lot of friends in Leicester.
Yeah.
So it probably makes sense to get used to Leicester and
Then
try
Kettering.
our lessons over here.
Yeah.
So, early lesson. It's getting relatively lighter now.
Yeah, I love it.
We've got the night cameras on night mode.
Night mode.
Please do us a favour, like and subscribe, especially press notify. We're landing films every 2 or 3 days and we want you to be a part of it. And you can do that by subscribing now. So you're just going to follow this road to the Pork Pie Roundabout.
Okay. Oh, God. Everybody's nightmare.
Well, do you know, yeah, you say that. Now, it's not that difficult, Pork Pie Roundabout, when you understand what's going on.
Okay.
And it's run by traffic lights. It's not even a roundabout as such because it's just stop and go road. And you've got lanes that tell you where to go and planning boards tell you where to go. If you understand how it works, it's not difficult.
It's fine.
And every test centre, Izzy, they had this students and pupils build up this thing of myth about, have you done the double roundabout? Or what? Have you done the Sports Direct roundabout yet? In Kettering, oh yeah.
Yeah.
In Leicester, at Wigston, it's the Pork Pie Roundabout.
The Pork Pie Roundabout.
Have you done the Pork Pie Roundabout? And it's not that difficult.
Okay.
And if you want to know how to do it properly, I've lovingly made 2 videos just about the Pork Pie Roundabout.
Oh, yeah, I'd love to know about that, to be fair.
Yeah. And
I swear it has traffic lights.
if we do this, I'll put a link down there or up there, wherever it goes. And folk can watch me telling you. We love your feedback, so don't forget to leave all your comments down below and we'll read them and reply where we can. But yeah, oh, we're going off. I was going to say, put your handbrake on.
And then just wait.
Yeah, because otherwise people sit on the brake lights. It dazzles you out. You shouldn't be doing that.
Okay.
Highway code does tell us, I think it's rule 114, that not to dazzle people unnecessarily with lights. So specifically, it says, including brake lights in queuing traffic.
Yeah.
So more than a wait, put your handbrake on.
Is this it?
This is not the Pork Pie Roundabout. No, the mystical Pork Pie
Is this it?
No, Izzy.
Oh, I was really disappointed.
Second exit,
Oh,
follow the road. Oh.
It's fine.
Yes, because it's not the Pork Pie Roundabout, Izzy.
Oh. Great.
Just follow it round. See, look, they've even put lines in the middle of the roundabouts to help
Lovely.
people here.
Fabulous.
Dead easy.
Very easy, actually. I'm quite liking Leicester.
You
so
like it
far.
so far. I'm looking out for that. It's on wait. That could change.
Yeah.
Just did.
Just did,
Because we crossed the line, we go over it. Amber
Yeah.
means stop. Unless it's safe to do so with the car close behind us anyway.
Yeah.
And we'd already crossed the stop line anyway, so we continue.
Is this the SAF? We're on the SAF.
What's that mean?
The saffron lane? The SAF.
Saffron Lane goes that way.
Is it? I thought it was this.
No, this isn't Saffron Lane either.
Oh, what's this then? I just don't know Leicester.
Oh gosh, what's it called? I can't remember. Well, very simply though, we're going to take the second exit.
Oh, that's fine, isn't it? Like, we'll be alright. You know, with the traffic lights though, surely it's not too bad.
Exactly.
Yeah, because you just...
Exactly. It's the pathway. You got paint that tells you where to go. You just got to follow the paint.
Oh.
If you've got paint on the roundabout, it's never going to be intuitive. So
Yeah.
the lane. Otherwise, you wouldn't need paint on the roundabout. If it's intuitive, you wouldn't need paint. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So as soon as you see paint on the roundabout, like this one coming up the Pork Pie Roundabout, you got to get your wits about you, use the planning board, work out which way you're going for the planning board and the paint on the ground.
Right,
The
okay.
information is there. Otherwise, everyone will be having accidents every 2 seconds.
Right.
Well, clearly they're not. So therefore, if you can't do it, you're not taking the information in.
Information, yeah.
So is that, oh, the roundabout's difficult? No, what's difficult is you're not taking in and processing
The information.
information. So what makes this Wigston a bit difficult,
Mm-hmm.
it's not so much the routes are difficult, because it's a ring road, you get lots of people driving around this area who've never driven here before.
Right.
And they're the ones who go, oh, wrong way. It's like doing,
Oh, okay.
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Dodge decisions. Because this is the main road through to the M1 now, you see.
Oh, right, okay. I get what you mean.
So that is the Pork Pie Library. There.
Okay.
That's why it's called
Oh,
the Pork Pie. It looks a bit like a pork pie.
Yeah.
Oh, sort of 1930s Art Deco building. Nice.
Yeah, it's cool.
So, look at the sign.
Yeah.
Get in lane. We're taking the second exit.
Okay, so we can go in the furthest one.
The left one.
Yeah. Or isn't there? Doesn't it say there's 3?
Yeah, so we're in the left lane.
Yeah.
We're in the correct lane.
Yeah.
So this lane will either go first exit,
Or
second exit, or third exit.
Okay.
So you're hedging your bets. That lane, that one, will only go straight ahead only.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's like a dual. So this is like 2 lanes that go round the Pork Pie Roundabout and continue down the ring road.
Right,
So when you're on the left, you've got the options of taking first, second, or third. So you're much better off on this near side.
Lane, yeah. Yeah, definitely. I wouldn't want to be in that lane. Surely it'd be hard
We're taking
to
this. We're taking the second exit.
Gosh, they really don't stay on for long, do they?
No,
Going
it's sort
south
of controlled by
Wigston.
this one that way, and then you've got a main road going that way into the city are controlled by traffic lights, and the one on our left here from Wigston, and the one that comes up from Elsden there, they don't have traffic lights, and they just have to fit in with the changing of the phasing.
Yeah.
So that's what makes it difficult. It's the minor road can be a bit tricky coming from there, and from the one from the city, one down there, is quite a steep hill start.
Right.
So in actual fact, it's quite a difficult roundabout.
Oh God!
Thinking about it.
Richard.
Yeah, I said it's easy, but it's actually
For God's sake.
but in terms of controlling the car, you need to be able to control the car.
Okay, that's fine then.
So,
Could have told me after.
right, come on, car.
Come on.
It should be a surprise that the red light's gone green. That's it. Keep up. We crossed the line. So we're going down there, second exit. So stay over to the left. Stay over to the left. Signalling now. There you go.
Oh,
We go there. And if we're going third exit, we'll be going down there.
perfect.
Yes.
That was the best roundabout I think I've ever done.
Yeah. And that's why
We don't have to do that again, do we?
Well, since you said we won't, we will.
Oh, for God's sake.
So don't forget, you get a £50 discount off young driver insurance under 25s with myfirst.com/rdrive, or give them a call and just mention us. Now we're going to take the third exit and follow the road into the city centre.
Okay, oh God.
So you've noticed this is a full-time bus lane, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so third exit, follow the road. You want to look across your mirror, come across to the left-hand side. Don't go across the solid line, or you end up signal left and come across the left-hand side. It's safe to do so. So, on the left-hand side here, this will feed left, first exit, second exit, and third exit.
Okay.
This lane will feed a second lane that has to merge in going down the third exit and feeds the fourth exit there. So 1, 2, 3 on the left, 4, 5, and coming back on yourself 6 on the right.
Okay.
Find out which route you're going. We're going to go straight across there.
Straight across
That's it. And we're going to feed it round to the third exit, please.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's 1. Keep your lane just between 2. Signalling off, just make doubly sure. So those ones will now have to merge in with us. So we're in the dominant lane. You see that's what that arrow means, doesn't it? Merge,
Yeah,
traffic merge,
merge,
to the right. Check your mirror in case someone's feathering through
Yeah.
and causes you problems. So we're going down to the city centre. I believe this is called Saffron Lane.
Oh, this is the saffron
Yeah.
lane. Ah.
Please do us a favour, like and subscribe, especially press notify. We're landing films every 2 or 3 days and we want you to be a part of it. And you can do that by subscribing now. Right. Now then, this is really tricky.
No.
Now we're taking the second exit
Okay.
towards the ring road, yeah, Leicester?
Yeah.
So, come to where that van is on the left. We're
Yeah.
going across to there. That's the first exit.
where the Audi
Yeah, we're going to
is.
there. Yeah, we've got to take that lane if it's clear. Look carefully. Go for it. There you go.
Oh my God.
Left lane. That's handy, that lorry there.
Yeah. Oh, thanks, Laurie.
Yeah, okay, don't have to take it. Who's going to merge in her? He's ahead of you. He's always going to come in front of you, isn't he?
Yeah.
He's not going to give way to you
No.
then.
And he's
There we go.
gonna come behind me.
No, you go in there.
Yeah.
So, what do you think of pork pie?
You know what?
Yes?
It's not awful. I
No.
don't think it's that bad.
Okay.
I think compared to Kettering, I mean, it is quite bad because it's congested, but I don't think it's awful.
No.
It's just all the traffic
Yeah.
that comes with it.
Thank you very much for watching.
So do remember, please like and subscribe and press notify.